In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in AWS DynamoDB in just a few minutes. Whether you're a developer building applications that need efficient, reliable storage, or just exploring Amazon Web Services, understanding how to set up your own table in DynamoDB is a valuable skill. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. Once your browser is up and ready, head over to the search bar and type in AWS. This will take you to the Amazon Web Services homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so next. Use your credentials to enter the AWS Management Console, where you have access to a wide array of services offered by AWS. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to DynamoDB. On the AWS Management Console's homepage, you'll typically find a search bar at the top where you can quickly search for DynamoDB. Once you locate it, click to open the DynamoDB service. In the navigation pane of the DynamoDB console, you have the option to choose either Tables or Dashboard. For the purpose of creating a new table, go ahead and choose Tables. Now, you'll see the option to create a table. Click on the Create Table button to initiate the creation of your DynamoDB table. This will bring you to a new screen where you can start configuring the essential details of your table. You're going to need to provide a table name, which must be unique within your AWS account. Additionally, it's crucial to set a partition key, which DynamoDB uses to distribute data across multiple partitions for scalability. You can also define a sort key if your table design requires it. These keys are essential for organizing and accessing the data efficiently within your table. After setting up the basic table configuration, you'll need to decide on your table's capacity mode. Here, you have two options: On Demand, where you pay per request, and your table scales automatically, or the Provisioned mode, where you specify the number of read and write capacity units you anticipate needing, and essentially pay for that provisioned capacity. Choose the option that best suits your application's needs and budget. Once satisfied with your configuration, take a moment to review everything. Make sure your table name, keys, and capacity configuration are all set correctly, as these will define how your table operates. Finally, when you're ready, click the Create Table button to complete the setup. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully created a table in AWS DynamoDB. This table is now available for you to use, allowing you to store and query your data efficiently. As you work with DynamoDB, you'll find these steps become second nature, helping to build robust applications with Amazon's NoSQL database service. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.